The Apo Reef is located off the coast of the Philippine island of Mindoro and is the second largest continuous reef in the world. Thus, the reef serves as a vital contributor to the overall health and biodiversity of the oceans. The current rising ocean temperature impacts have materialized in the form of ocean acidification and coral bleaching. Since coral reefs serve as the breeding grounds for many different species, including fish and crustaceans, which serve as a large part of human diet, their destruction should be of the utmost concern for communities that rely heavily on fisheries. The Apo Reef is already in poor state due to being ravaged by overfishing, and the destructive implications of coral bleaching could spell disaster for the reef. Coral bleaching and ocean acidification are expected to significantly decrease the global supply of ocean food resources due to the destruction of feeding and breeding services that coral reef systems provide. This will in turn affect the island communities in the region that derive their food source from these coral areas. In response to these threats, the Philippine government has already banned any and all fishing in the Apo Reef in an attempt to preserve it and stimulate its regeneration.